Gardeners are always excited when new perennial cultivars arrive, especially the ones that bloom longer and perform better in real gardens. Plant breeders are constantly developing varieties with stronger stems, richer colors, and extended flowering seasons. In this video, we're exploring 7 new perennial cultivars that stand out for their impressive bloom time and fresh garden appeal. Number 1. Astilbe Dark Side of the Moon. Astilbe Dark Side of the Moon is one of the most striking new Astilbe cultivars introduced in recent years. Unlike traditional Astilbes with simple green foliage, this variety features dramatic dark bronze to purple leaves that create an instant visual impact even before the flowers appear. When the soft lavender pink plumes rise above the foliage, the contrast makes the plant look bold and sophisticated in the garden. This cultivar also stands out for its improved adaptability. While most Astilbes prefer deep shade, Dark Side of the Moon can tolerate more sunlight as long as the soil remains consistently moist. The plant produces tall flower plumes that last for weeks in early to mid-summer, bringing long-lasting texture and color to shaded borders. In the landscape, this Astilbe works beautifully in woodland gardens, shaded borders, or along the north side of the house. The dark foliage provides a dramatic backdrop for surrounding plants, while the airy blooms add a soft, elegant layer to the garden design. Number 2. Delphinium Violets Are Blue. Delphinium Violets Are Blue is a stunning perennial that brings classic cottage garden beauty with improved modern performance. Its tall spikes of violet blue flowers rise above the foliage like elegant towers of color. Each bloom features a bright white center, creating a striking contrast that makes the flowers stand out even from a distance. Modern delphinium breeding has focused on creating stronger stems and better garden reliability, and this cultivar reflects that progress. The plant produces dense flower spikes in early summer and often continues blooming longer than older varieties when properly cared for. With full sun and well-drained soil, it becomes a dramatic focal point in the garden. In landscape borders, Violets Are Blue works best toward the back, where its vertical flower spikes can rise above surrounding plants. Combined with softer perennials like catmint, salvia, or roses, it helps create a layered look that defines classic cottage garden designs. Number 3. Veronica Skyward Light Pink. Veronica Skyward Light Pink is a refined perennial known for its elegant flower spikes and long bloom season. The plant produces slender spikes of soft pink flowers that rise above tidy green foliage, giving the border a light and graceful texture. The gentle color blends easily with many other plants, making it a versatile addition to mixed perennial beds. One of the reasons this cultivar is so valuable is its extended flowering period. Veronica varieties like this often bloom from late spring into summer, and with occasional deadheading, they can continue producing flowers for an even longer stretch. The upright habit keeps the plant looking neat and structured throughout the season. In the garden, Skyward Light Pink fits perfectly in the middle of sunny borders, where its flower spikes can weave between neighboring plants. Paired with coneflowers, salvias, or ornamental grasses, it helps create a border that feels full, colorful, and alive for much of the growing season. Number 4. Heliopsis Rays for Days. Heliopsis Rays for Days is a cheerful perennial that brings bright sunshine color to the garden for an impressively long period. Its golden yellow flowers resemble miniature sunflowers, rising above compact green foliage in dense clusters. The vibrant blooms instantly energize borders and create a warm, inviting atmosphere in summer gardens. One of the reasons this cultivar stands out is its extended bloom season. Unlike many perennials that flower briefly, Rays for Days can produce blooms from midsummer well into fall. The plant is also highly tolerant of heat and drought, making it a dependable performer even in challenging garden conditions. In the landscape, this Heliopsis works beautifully in the middle of sunny borders, where its bright color can anchor surrounding plants. Paired with ornamental grasses, coneflowers, or salvias, it helps create a lively garden scene that stays colorful for months. Number 5. Dicentra Hearts on Fire. Dicentra Hearts on Fire is a modern bleeding heart cultivar that brings bold color and distinctive foliage to shaded gardens. Its finely textured leaves emerge in warm golden bronze tones, creating a striking backdrop for the plant's vivid red heart-shaped flowers. The contrast between foliage and blooms makes this plant particularly eye-catching. Unlike traditional bleeding hearts that often fade quickly after flowering, newer cultivars like Hearts on Fire are bred for improved garden performance. The plant maintains attractive foliage through much of the season while producing its charming flowers in late spring. This combination of foliage interest and bloom makes it a valuable addition to shade borders. In the landscape, Dicentra Hearts on Fire works beautifully in woodland gardens or shaded borders near patios and walkways. Its bright flowers add a lively accent among ferns, hostas, and other shade-loving plants. Number 6. Penstemon Lavender Sapphires. Penstemon Lavender Sapphires is a graceful perennial known for its elegant spikes of lavender purple flowers. The tubular blooms rise above tidy green foliage, creating a light and airy vertical texture that blends beautifully into sunny borders. The soft color palette also pairs easily with many other flowering plants. What makes this cultivar particularly appealing is its long bloom season and pollinator-friendly flowers. Bees and hummingbirds are naturally drawn to the tubular blossoms, making the garden feel more vibrant and alive. With full sun and well-drained soil, the plant continues producing blooms throughout much of the summer. In the landscape, Penstemon Lavender Sapphires fits perfectly in the middle of perennial borders, where its vertical spikes can weave between neighboring plants. Combined with salvias, catmint, or ornamental grasses, it helps create a layered planting that remains colorful and dynamic for an extended period. Number 7. Salvia Dark Side. Salvia Dark Side is a striking perennial that brings deep color and long-lasting blooms to sunny gardens. Its rich indigo blue flowers rise above aromatic foliage, creating tall spikes of color that stand out beautifully in mixed borders. The dramatic tone gives the garden a bold yet elegant appearance throughout the summer season. This cultivar was bred for strong performance and an extended bloom period. With regular sunlight and well-drained soil, Dark Side produces waves of flowers that continue for months, especially when lightly trimmed after the first flush. Like many salvias, it is also highly attractive to pollinators, drawing bees and butterflies into the garden. In the landscape, Salvia Dark Side works wonderfully in the middle or back of sunny borders, where its deep blue spikes can rise above surrounding plants. Combined with warm-colored flowers like coneflowers or Heliopsis, it creates a vibrant contrast that keeps the garden lively well into late summer. New perennial cultivars like these show how modern plant breeding continues to improve the gardens we grow. With longer bloom times, stronger stems, and more vibrant colors, these plants make it easier than ever to enjoy flowers throughout the season. If you enjoyed this list, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me which new perennial you're most excited to try in your garden.